Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Avro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you buy Spotify Premium 2024. So for that, at first just launch your Spotify app. Now after you have launched your Spotify app, just click the bottom right, the last icon, which is Premium. Just click on Get Premium, this white icon. You can also change plan by clicking the change plan option in the top right. Here you can see there is a change plan option. You can just change it. For the first month you can just use it for free, so you can just purchase it with Google Play or Spotify. I'm selecting Spotify and click on continue with Spotify. Now after that, here you can see you need to just give your payment details, which is the first option is card number. You need to put your card number here, your card's date number and your card's security code. And after that you need to just click on this option, which is safeguard for future purchases. And at last, here you can see there is a buy now option. Just click on it and you can just successfully buy the premium option on Spotify. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video.